Hello, good morning, class 7th. Today I will continue the same chapter, classification 2, and about the animal kingdom we were going on. And now today we will complete these 3 phylums. First is Annelida for today. Annelida, everyone you have seen earthworm. So according to that earthworm, you can get all the characters whatever they have or annelids have. First is they have segmented body, or you have seen the earthworm have round rings on their body. So they have another name, that is segmented worm. Okay. Next point. They have soft, cylindrical and bilaterally symmetrical body. Bilaterally symmetrical body means when body will be cut through the horizontal axis, then body will be divided into 2 equal halves, right and left. So bilaterally symmetrical body, they have cylindrical, that means pipe shaped body, and body soft. They live in burrow. They live in burrow, that means they go deep into the soil and they make their burrow and lives there. Next point. They have true body cavity. True body cavity in the sense they have one body cavity, outer part, and inner part they have different organ systems in their body. So they have true body cavity. For their excretion, they have special organ just as we have. For our excretion, the organ is kidney. So they have special excretory organ called as nephridia. Next, they have moist skin, and or some annelids have gills also. Those who are not live in burrow or not live in soil, they have gills. So they have moist skin while for using their respiration. They use it for their respiration. Those who are living in the soil and those who have gills, they are outside to the soil, or they live outside to the soil. Just for example, earthworm lives in soil, so they will respire with the moist skin. Leech is a parasite. Leech is present on or over the animal's body. So they are the parasitic in nature. So they do not have their own digestive system. They do not have their own alimentary canal, and they directly suck the blood. If in case of earthworm, they lives in soil, so they eat soil, because inside the soil there are some insects, there are some materials which are very nutrient for them, so they eat soil and then excrete it also soil. But that soil, as we have the excretory material along with the nitrogen, that soil also with the nitrogen, which helps the farmer or makes the soil more nutritive. That's why earthworm is called as farmer's friend. So these are the points. Those belongs to annelid they have. For example, earthworm, leech, etc. Now children, I come to the next phylum, mollusca. Mollusca, everyone you have seen. Unio, that is CP, Pila, that is chunk. So these belongs to the mollusca. Mollusca, first character, they are present either in fresh water or in the damp soil. Just you have seen near the sand or inside the sand we can get them. And inside the hard shell, or they have hard shell over their body to protect themselves, because they have unsegmented soft body inside the hard shell. So their body is unsegmented. But some, those who have soft body, they are having hard shell. But some have shell inside their body, as we have bones inside the body. So they also have shell inside their body, as for example is octopus. So from the outside, octopus is very soft bodied animal, but inside they have shell, or these shell only give them proper structure, proper activities to do or to complete. Then next point, mostly they are unisexual. Unisexual means male and female are present in the separate one. Now, well digestive system. They have well digestive system. Proper digestive system they have. For example, snail, oyster. Snail means shang. This everyone you have seen in your home or in mandir. Then oyster, sipi, from where we can get the pearl. Octopus, it is having inner shell, squid, etc. Children, all the animals we can see in the school or in the bio lab mainly. So then you can understand about each and every animal. But whatever we can get throughout our surrounding or present in our surrounding, you can easily see them. So these are the characters found in the mollusk. Mollusk, that means they are having thin or thick shell either inside or outside. Now next one, echinodermata. See, this is the word meaning is given. Echinos means found in sea, derma means skin. So their skin have the capability to live inside the sea, or you can say inside the marine water. So they have this type of skin. So they found in marine, or these are marine animals. These animals have radial symmetry. As children, if you will take a ball, rubber ball, and if you will cut through any axis, then you can get two equal halves of it. This is known as radial symmetry. So radial symmetry, their body is also having radial symmetry. That means by any axis, if it can be cut, so two equal halves we can get. Then next point. They have exoskeleton. Exo means outside. Skeleton means the tough part of our body which protect us. So exoskeleton, their skeleton is present outside the body, and this is with the structure that is spines. They have spines over it to protect their body. Then in their body there are two openings. One is mouth, another one is anus. As children, mouth is for ingestion of the food and anus is for egestion of the food. So mouth present downside of their body and anus present outside to the body. So easily they can grasp it through the mouth and easily they can eject out through the anus. So mouth below the body or downside of the body, anus is present upper side of the body. And for their movement, they have tube-like feet or cylindrical pipe-shaped feet they have, due to which they can move from one place to another place. And these feet also help to catch their prey, first thing. Second thing, for their locomotion. And some are having suckers inside their feet or the tip of the feet. If they have suckers, so first they can suck, first they can paralyze the insect and then they can suck the nutritive material from them. These tube feet help in three manners. For example, starfish, sea cucumber, etc., sea urchin, whatever. So many examples are there. When we will see in the bio lab, then you can see very well all these animals. So these are the characters present in echinodermata. That's why these are the animals present in Annelida. These are the animals present in mollusca. These are the animals present in echinodermata. All the animals have different characters. That's why they belong to the different phylums. So children, for today it is over. Now, thank you. God bless you.